What's going on, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're well and doing fine, you're healthy, you're safe, and all of that good stuff. So let's begin right away with this little guy right here. This is the Sony compact DSCHX90V. So a point and shoot camera. A lot of people are asking me like, what is the a cheap camera to buy? And you know, I made a video not that long ago about the Canon EOS 2000D. That's like one of the cheapest cameras that you can buy these days, but it's not that really that good, and also not that user friendly, to be quite honest. So, you know, point and shoot cameras can be a great alternative, but maybe not. So let's begin, like, unpack this, unbox this guy right here. A strange little box, actually. It's hard to tell that this is about a camera, to be honest. Then go like shoop, shoop. Alright, let's go. Nice center frame. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, there it is. There is the famous orange Sony box, and with a nice little pouch. Okay. Very old school, but okay, alright. Cybershot DSCHX90V. Best product 2015-2016. Wow, that's a long time ago. I was like 12 back then. Okay, and a weird looking SD card. Okay, let's put that aside together with this strange pouch thingy. This is the important thing, right? So it's quite an old camera. Not the newest, but it might be still like very worth it buying in 2021. So I'm not sure about that, but you know, this was only 200 and something euros, 250 euros or something like that. So quite affordable, not that expensive. And you know, let's see if this is any good. Of course, we got a little guarantee information document, Wi-Fi connection, how to connect your Wi-Fi and stuff like that, a like warranty thingies, and a manual that nobody is referring to. Actually, it's really helpful, to be honest. A lot of hidden things that you cannot find on YouTube or on the internet. And let's go unpack this little guy. So we got a nice little, like a wrist wrap, and a nice little power plug thingy. Here's a USB thingy. All right. A nice little battery. I think this is the same battery that you can find on the ZV-1 that I reviewed some time ago as well. I think in the summer was that. The ZV-1 or ZV-1, which is actually a really good camera for both stills and for video, but it's a little bit pricey, you know. It's a little bit pricey. So, and here it is, guys. Nice and small. Cool. It looks really cool, you know. I like the design of this little guy. Nice little flip up screen, right? Okay. There's no grip. And does it have an EVF? I think so on this side. Let's pop the battery in. Let's see if there's any juice actually. Let's do like so. Oh, not like so. Like so. Right? Okay. Okay, you got that little USB thingy on the bottom, as you see right there. So it's not weather sealed or weatherproof or anything. Can it turn on? Yes, it does turn on, guys. English, please. Set area and date. Lisbon, Paris, we go to Paris, my friends. Berlin and Paris. Okay. Ta-da-da. Okay. Ooh. Oh, look at this. Oh wow. I'm gonna put it directly in manual exposure. And at first glance, everything looks like a normal Sony camera, right? This is the shutter speed. It reminds me of my Sony a6000. Was it? Oh. Oop. Oh, that's the only dial that we have on top. Okay. Viewfinder does pop up. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. Okay. Cannot see anything on it, but very blurry and stuff. Think we need to adjust that or something. I don't know. I don't see what the crap. Okay, maybe if I put my eye real close to it. No, also not. All right, strange, but okay. Take the first picture. Okay, ISO 3200. Okay, does this look any good? Oh, it's on a timer. All right. I like the screen. The screen looks very promising. Looks better than on my Sony a7 III, to be real honest with you guys. Is it touchscreen? I don't think it's touchscreen. If you know anything about Sony, you know that there's no touchscreen. They don't do that. They don't do touchscreen. Here. There's nothing to touch, man. Nothing. Okay, I'm gonna put a little SD card on it. Gonna switch the things out and see how the video looks and my first impressions. It's now nighttime outside, so I won't show you any pictures. Maybe from indoor something, but nothing very special. So let's switch things around. Alright, I am filming now on the little point and shoot camera. And you know, it actually looks pretty good on that little screen. The image and the audio that you're hearing right now is from that little point and shoot camera. Now I'm going to switch the audio back to the normal microphone. And you know, as you see, it's actually quite nice. I really like how it's displaying right now on that little screen. And I'm not sure about the image quality right now. It's 1080p 25 frames per second, so I'm not sure. And the f-stop is now at f4, so the aperture is set on f4. You can see more about the of the background and stuff like that, but when it comes down to autofocus, it captures my face. So what about like autofocus? Can it focus on this? Not maybe, I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. But anyways, that's it for this video. This is my first impression. I like the screen. I like the small, compact size of this. Not sure if this is any good for like real photography. Really don't know about that. But we will see in the following weeks. And we'll see if this is any good. And maybe I should recommend it for like beginners or not. Right? So subscribe to the channel to see the full review video in a couple of weeks. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy. And I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.